anymore because eating meat is killing animals. And we don't like killing animals because animals are nice and cute. Especially rabbits, because they're bunny rabbits, because they're really cute.
Yeah.
I would never kill a rabbit.
Good girl.
Honestly, I got my nails painted. I have mine. Even my toes. My toes.
And your toes as well.
Even my toes too. My other foot.
Not sure we're going to see you.
And my other foot.
Girls.
And my other foot.
Supposed to be cooking.
And the other foot.
Supposed to be cooking, not on the
Yeah.
table. What are you opening there, Aniyah?
Wait, there's more instructions.
Oh, look, what's inside that paper bag? First we put the onions in. Onions in the pan. Then we put some mushrooms in. And garlic.
I think there's little teeny ingredients with like some stuff in it. I think there's ingredients like these. I think there's stuff like this. This one looks like Coca-Cola. This looks like Coca-Cola. Yeah, it does because it's black, but it's... I'm gonna drink Coca-Cola. I'm just kidding. It's not Coca-Cola. Who squished this? I don't know. Well, I've never had these ingredients. Coca-Cola in some pepper, some tomato, and some flour. Wait, we've both got the same ingredients. Yeah, because there's two of them. Hey, that's unfair. Fine, I'll get you a plate. Skyla, did you know that? That is dirty. Did you know? Can I have that back? No. Skyla, give it. Now we're going to put some oregano in some hot water.
What's that, Skyla?
It is oregano.
Oregano. Oregano. Oregano. And what's oregano and vegetable stock.
Oh.
And tomato paste.
I'm going to cut it open. I don't know what it'll feel like. Ew. I do not want to touch it. Ew! It looks like red poop. Yeah. Ew!
Here comes Daddy.
Hi.
Dad.
Hi, Arsha.
Is Daddy finished work?
Yeah.
Hi, Arsha. Daddy was at work. He had I'm going to mix it like 20 hours. I'm going to mix it with a knife. What the heck, that is weird. Yummy. I just ate tomato.
Oh, you just wiped it all over your top. Skyla.
First, we're going to be adding some chopped tomatoes.
Chopped tomatoes to the
Ew, look like fake poo.
lentils. Careful the pan because it's hot. Oh.
Now, the very last thing,
Last bit.
some of that hot water that we put
That's
in.
tomato stock.
Some tomato sauce. Can I mix it?
Yeah. Watch, don't touch the pan though because it's hot. As long as you touch the handle. Not. It looks nice.
Can you get me
As Nakhai, can you break yours into 3 pieces? Not anybody else, just Nakhai.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll do
You
it.
just one person.
I'll do it.
Okay, Skyla.
Hey.
Right, now taste them. Give some to everybody else. What does it taste like?
I want to taste. Tastes like pasta. I'll taste this bit.
I know you guys like raw pasta. You quite like raw pasta, don't you? Do you like it? Does it taste the same as spaghetti?
It's just a lot sharper.
Not sharper, yeah.
Yeah, look.
It all,
I'll take one too.
all crunching on it. This is Via Life vegan, 100% vegan mature cheese. Cheese. It's actually made with coconut oil and coconut milk and sea salt, starch, sunflower kernel and grounded mature cheddar flavour.
It smells like my type of cheese.
And there's no milk in that, so let's just find out. Start with Kobie. What do you think?
Dad, is it
Medium. Aniyah?
Dad, it's not pasta.
Thumbs up or down?
My type.
Down. Skyla?
Do you know?
Up. I thought it was enough as well. Nakhai, did you try yours?
If you like it, eat these. Mom, do you
Let Nakhai have one.
Mom, this is called with
Oh,
the
you're still
little
eating the
bits.
pasta. Try that. Tell me what you like. Say up or down. You like it or not? No.
No.
Try it. Nakhai, did you try it?
No, I don't want it. I'm hungry.
You don't want it? Is it nice, Nakhai?
Now we're gonna do, we're gonna put some sauce on, then we're gonna put some of this on, then we're gonna put some more sauce on, then we're gonna keep doing that, repeating it until there's none of these left.
Right, so
let's
sauce.
start. So let's start doing it. Beans. So what beans, Mom?
Yes, they're lentils.
Yeah, lentil beans.
There's the sauce. It's our mushroom and lentil ragu.
Look
Okay.
at that sound.
Yeah, don't splash it too much.
Now we put some of these on.
That's it. And another one.
It's gonna taste
Not
like
yet, Nakhai.
this
Not
is
yet.
gonna taste like pasta, but with like some lentils and mushrooms and tomato sauce and stuff in it.
Right, we start again.
Now this one.
Good boy. You helping? Alpro single soya. It's quite thick, like cream.
We're gonna pour this in. And I
Pour
don't
yours.
know what it's called, but
That's
we're
it.
gonna pour it in.
Pour it all over the top. Mmm. Nice.
I think everyone will love it. Put cheese.
Yeah, you can both put cheese on.
Sprinkle it. My parents will
This is
love
the Via Life.
sprinkle in. And Kai, did you know that
Which
you
it looks very cheesy like, doesn't it? Hmm? Yeah, spread it everywhere.
I grab handfuls because this is a big pot. Okay.
You can both put a little bit. A little
Wait,
bit.
Kai, I'm not done.
Alright, and let Nakhai have a go now. Otherwise we'll have too much pepper on there. Grind it. That's
Don't
it.
just put it in one place.
Yeah, move it around a little bit. That's it, good boy.
Put it on.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna pour the salad into this bowl.
Ooh, yummy salad. Okay,
Yeah.
what is that? Mix it around. Oh, and that is your balsamic vinegar. And you're gonna mix it.
Yeah, mix it. So let's make it stir.
Gonna stir it in. Mmm.
Good.
Do you like salad?
Yeah. No.
No. Do you like vinegar?
No.
No.
Bueno, sí, estamos aquí guarachando, descargando. ¡Ajá! ¡Sabroso! ¡Ajá!